Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can secure your messenger app like nobody can see your messenger app. Whenever you turn on your messenger app or go to your messenger app, there's gonna be pop-ups or your chats over here. But if you want to secure this nobody can see without your permission, so that possible you have to do is log to your messenger. So I can show you how you can do it. Open up your messenger and go to main menu at the bottom right, and then you will see over here the settings button on the top. Click on that and then you will comes in this page, and you will see over here on the top menu you will see active status, dark mode, accessibility, and privacy and safety. Click on that, privacy and safety, and then you will pop-ups over here. So in this you will see a bunch of menus over here. Again you will see, but in case you will see over here security, and in this you will see app lock. But if you don't find this, you have to simply scroll all the way up and you can simply search for it and then click on that app lock, and then you will comes in this page, and then you have to simply do is turn this toggle to on. But in case you have fingerprint in your phone, you will see over here required fingerprint ID over here. But in my case I have face ID, so you can simply scan your face over here to allow this. So let me show you how you can do it. Turn this on, and then like this it's gonna be scan your face, and then allows you to app lock or lock your app as well. So whenever you come back and cross this or clear the background, and then simply click on messenger, and it's gonna be pop up like this, allows your ID to open this, and then that's it. That's how you can secure your messenger app or lock your app. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.